Prevent splintering baseboard trim by controlling cut speed, support, and fastener technique. Start with the right blade and the right tooling. Use a sharp, fine-tooth blade made for finished carpentry and run the saw at a steady, moderate feed so the cutting action shears the wood fibers cleanly instead of tearing them. Clamp a sacrificial backer board to the cut line on the visible face when using a circular saw or a miter saw without a backer that supports the thin edge and prevents blowout on the finished side. When cutting thin profiles or delicate cap molding, score the cut line with a sharp utility knife before cutting to pre-sever the top fibers. For nailing, choose a brad nailer set to a low pressure and use short brads that penetrate the stud or substrate without overdriving. If you do not have a nailer, predrill pilot holes sized slightly smaller than the finish nail shank and countersink gently. After any cut or nail set, file or sand the cut edge with a fine file or sanding block to remove tiny splinters and blend the surface before priming and painting. Common mistakes are rushing cuts, which tears fibers on the exit side. Fix it by slowing the feed and using a backer board or scoring the cut first. Overdriving nails causes splitting and visible dents. Set the nailer to lower pressure or use appropriately short nails, or pre-drill and use a nail set to sink the head below the surface without splitting. Failing to support thin ends or intricate profiles while cutting leads to breakage. Clamp scrap wood under or behind the profile and cut with light, steady pressure, then finish with a file to remove any micro splinters. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical installation advice related to trim work. We host a discussion community where we and our members exchange tips, troubleshoot problems, and share contractor recommendations.